Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous video I have given you this program to practice and I hope you all have completed it. I am also giving it a try, so just compare it. So alright guys, this is the program that I have given you in the previous video. There we get the age from the user and I am going to just run it. Here your age is suppose 21 and we get the output as you have lived for these many seconds. I hope it's all clear till now. Now we will move forward to the booleans. So what is boolean? In Python we have got true and false value and they are used to make decisions. For example, we have got the age from the user. Okay, so now we want to confirm that whether that age is overage or underage. So check out this. I will tell you everything about it, that how we have typed three signs in just one line here. So user is given as 21 and we have got the true value that over age. Yes, it's true. The user is overaged. So how that happened? In the overage variable, I have given this statement and according to this statement, let's just clear it now. I'm simply print it age greater than equal 20 and now I am going to again print it. I got again true. So this value returned me the true value. Why? Because age is greater than 20 as user have given as 21. So here 21 compared with the 20 and it is greater than or equal to. So we have get the greater than. So this returned true. So we printed that out as true. What if I give here as just simply 19 and then run it? So I get the false. I typed the age as 21 but I haven't give the variable name here. I just typed 19, simply 19. Let's just clear everything and now let's check this out. So this is completely false. 5 is not greater than 5. So if I want to check whether two values are equal or not, so what I'm gonna type is double equals and then just run it and I got the true. Let's check the another example. So here we have got three equal sign in one statement and this might get confusing for the student who are just beginning in Python. So here this equal sign is assigning this value into the check variable, but this double sign is for comparison. They are comparing these two variables and then they will return here as true or false and that will be stored into the check variable and then we have printed it out. Just remember it that we have this true and false values in starting with capital T and capital F. So just don't forget it. In the upcoming videos, I will tell you the what is the use of Boolean expression. We will use them in if and else statement and there the Boolean are used. But for now, for beginners, I just can't share that if and else statement here. I will bring the separate video for that. Now there is another function as print bool. So this bool function checks whether we have got the content in a variable or not. So if I just type here as my age and just print it out, it will return true. So why true? Because my age is having some content or value in it. But if I just give it here as string and that is empty, now we will print it. So I've got the false as string is empty here and when I print covered it with the function bool and then I will just print it out, then it will return as false. So bool function returns values in true and false. Bool function can be applied on list, tuple, string, dictionaries and numeric values. So here guys, I will get all the false values for all these print statements. Why? Because here we have list, tuple, dictionary, and they all are empty here. I will come on that part, that what is list, what is tuple, what is dictionary, but for now you can see we have getting false for all the empty list, tuples, dictionary and string also. So that's all for this boolean function and this boolean and comparison video. I hope you understand this part. In next video we are going to learn about what is and what is or in Python. So take care, stay tuned, see you in the next one.